To manage your appointments, click on the Appointments icon. This will take you to the My Appointments screen. Here you can see a list of all appointments with details such as customer name, date and time, price, appointment status and services. Each appointment is clickable. To edit an appointment, click on the appointment you wish to modify. This will open the Appointment screen, displaying detailed information about the selected appointment, including customer name, payment status, appointment number, date and time, and special notes. You can also see the services selected and the total amount. To update the appointment details, click on the Edit icon button located in the top right corner. This will navigate you to the Update Appointment Procedure screen. Here, you can modify the appointment details such as date and time, services, and special notes. Please note that the customer cannot be changed during this process. Make the necessary changes, and once you're done, click the Edit Appointment button to save the changes. If successful, you'll see an Appointment Updated message and be redirected to My Appointments to view the updated list.